Two of America's biggest insurance names go head-to-head, Nationwide versus Erie, which really protects you when it counts. On one side, the widely known Nationwide promising to be on your side. On the other, Erie Insurance, famous for loyal customers and solid ratings. Let's put aside the commercials and see how they truly perform where it matters. We'll compare them across the key categories, each one gets points, and by the end you'll know which is the smarter choice. You might be surprised by who really comes out ahead. Alright, before we get started, here's our little roadmap for today. We're gonna compare both companies on price, coverage options, customer service, claims experience, availability, and, oh yeah, digital experience. Everything you'd actually want to know. Let's talk price, because honestly, who doesn't want to save a few bucks? Nationwide, you do get those multi-policy discounts and the rates aren't bad if you're bundling, but in general, their average premiums tend to be a bit on the higher side. Now, Erie Insurance steps in and wow, their rates are famously low. A lot of people genuinely save a chunk right off the bat, especially young and safe drivers. The catch? They're not available everywhere, but if you can get Erie, it's usually the friendlier price. Erie sneaks ahead here. Moving on to coverage options, Nationwide's kinda flexing here. It's big, covers pretty much every kind of insurance you want: home, auto, pet, life, and a bunch of flexible add-ons like accident forgiveness. There is a small catch. Some of the cool extras can get pricey. Erie, meanwhile, covers the basics really well and even throws in unique stuff like rate lock. The thing is, if you're looking for super specialized policies, there just aren't as many options with Erie, and again, that limited footprint. So for variety and reach, Nationwide takes this one. Customer service time, Nationwide, yeah, they've got a super solid rep and tons of agents around, but, and this is important, not everyone's thrilled about their claims handling. Some mixed reviews there. Erie, though people rave about these guys, they're always at the top in satisfaction surveys, and if having a friendly, super speedy claims team matters to you, Erie just crushes it. So Erie definitely scores the win here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Erie Insurance literally started in a single room back in 1925? And now they're one of the biggest regional insurers in America. Talk about humble beginnings, right? Okay, claims experience. Nationwide has made things super easy with digital tools and a giant support network, which is great, but you know what people mention. Sometimes the actual claims payouts just take longer than you'd hope. Now Erie, wow, they're known for handling stuff lightning fast, and you get those local adjusters who actually know your area. It's just, yeah, only available in certain states. But for those who can get Erie, this one's not even close. Erie is the gold standard. So what about availability? Nationwide is, well, literally nationwide. All 50 states, all sorts of agents. If you're in the US, it's an option for you. Erie, on the other hand, keeps things pretty regional. Think Midwest, Mid-Atlantic, a bit of the Northeast, and yeah, that tight focus does mean better local service, but if you're out west or down south. Not happening. For sheer reach, this is all nationwide. Last up, digital experience. If you like doing everything online, apps, self-serve tools, quick quotes, Nationwide's got you covered. Their mobile app is genuinely handy, even if it's not totally glitch-free. Erie. The basics are there, but honestly, if you're looking for fancy features or something high-tech, you'll be disappointed. Their website keeps it simple, maybe a bit too simple. So for techies and people who hate phone calls, Nationwide wins again. Now, looking at the big picture across all those categories, you'll notice Erie shines on price and customer service, while Nationwide just kinda sweeps the board on coverage, digital experience, and of course, availability. So, here's what I think. If you want national options, lots of coverage, and you love doing things online, Nationwide is honestly your best bet. But if you live in Erie's area and you value customer service and a super easy claims process plus saving some cash, I'd definitely go with Erie. Alright, if this helped clear things up, let me know. And hey, follow along for more easy, no-nonsense insurance breakdowns.